Balancing pH in drinking water, the baking soda solution.
Hello, water enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a topic of great importance to our health, the ideal pH range for drinking water. We'll also explore if adding baking soda can bring it within that range. Remember, understanding your water's pH is key to ensuring it's safe and healthy to drink.
What is the ideal pH range for drinking water?
The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. Anything below 7 is considered acidic, while anything above 7 is alkaline or basic. Now, let's talk about drinking water. The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, recommends a pH range of 6.5 to 8.5 for drinking water. This range ensures that the water is not too acidic or too alkaline, making it safe to consume.
Why does pH matter in drinking water?
pH is crucial to drinking water for several reasons. For one, it affects the taste. Water that is too acidic or too alkaline may taste sour, bitter, or metallic. Moreover, extreme pH levels can lead to corrosion of pipes, causing the release of metals into your water. Over time, this could potentially lead to health problems.
Can baking soda adjust the pH of drinking water?
Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is known for its ability to neutralize acids. This is why it's often used in cooking and cleaning. But what about drinking water? Well, if your water is too acidic, below 6.5, adding a small amount of baking soda can indeed raise the pH, making it more alkaline. But remember, adding too much can lead the pH to rise above the ideal range, making the water taste bitter. Always use caution when adjusting the pH of your water. In conclusion, maintaining the right pH in your drinking water is important for both your health and your taste buds. And while baking soda can help to raise the pH of your water, it's crucial to use it judiciously. Stay hydrated, and remember to keep an eye on your water's pH level. It's just one more way we can ensure we're drinking the safest, healthiest water possible. Cheers to your health!